Uh, Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss web security and the different methods of web attacks together with real world examples. Web security is important because websites and online systems store sensitive information such as passwords, financial data, and personal records. Cybercriminals attack these systems to steal data, interrupt services, or gain unauthorized access. Because of this, organization must understand different attack methods and apply strong security defenses. This slide explains several common web attacks. First are injection attacks, where hackers exploit weak input validation to insert malicious commands into databases or systems. SQL injection and command injection are examples of this attack. Second is cross-site scripting or XSS. In this attack, hackers inject harmful scripts into websites that can steal users' sessions or sensitive data. Third is DDoS or distributed denial of service attacks. These attacks flood servers with huge amounts of traffic, making websites slow or unavailable. Another attack is the man-in-the-middle attack, where attackers secretly intercept communication between two users to steal or modify information. Lastly, phishing attacks trick users into revealing sensitive information through fake emails, websites, or messages. These attacks use social engineering to manipulate victims. Now, this slide compares how different web attacks operate. Each attack uses a different methods to exploit weaknesses in systems or users. Injection attacks focus on weak input handling in databases and applications. XSS attacks target website visitors by injecting malicious scripts. DDoS attacks focus on overwhelming servers with traffic until services become unavailable. Then MIT-M attacks target communication channels, while phishing attacks mainly target human behavior and trust. Understanding these differences is important because each attack requires a different type of defense and security strategy. Now, this slide presents real world examples of major cyber attacks. The first case is the Equifax breach in 2017. Attackers exploited an unpatched Apache Struts vulnerability, exposing the personal records of about 147 million people. This showed the importance of regularly updating systems and patching vulnerabilities. And the second case is the Sammy Worm in 2005, an excess attack that spread rapidly across MySpace profiles and infected more than 1 million users in only 20 hours. Another example is the Dean DNS attack in 2016. The Mirai botnet launched a massive DDoS attack that affected popular websites such as Twitter and Netflix, causing widespread outages. Now, lastly, the Twitter Bitcoin scam in 2020. It involved phishing and social engineering. Attackers targeted employees and gained access to high-profile Twitter accounts, including Elon Musk and Barack Obama. This slide focuses on defense and prevention strategies. One important defense is input validation and sanitization. Websites should never trust user input directly because malicious code can be inserted into forms or login fields. Another defense is encryption using HTTPS and secure communication protocols. This helps protect data from interception during transmission. And organizations should also implement content security policy or CSP headers to reduce the risk of XSS attacks. And to defend against DDoS attacks, companies can use DDoS protection services and real-time monitoring systems. Finally, user education is very important too. Many attacks, especially phishing, succeed because users are unaware of suspicious emails or fake websites. Regular training helps users recognize cyber threats. In conclusion, in conclusion, web security is essential and in protecting websites, systems, and users from cyber threats. Different attacks such as injection, XSS, DDoS, MITM, and phishing exploit different weaknesses, but all can cause serious harms if not prevented. By understanding these attack methods and applying proper security measures, organization can strengthen their defenses and maintain secure online services. And thank you for listening and always remember to stay vigilant and keep your web defenses strong.